to bring these children to understand that how diabetes is an important area which we need to work against, and we need to ensure that our life, our behavior, the activities which we are doing in day-to-day life are helping us staying away from this disease, and also helping us prevent this in the future. So I think our hosts of this quiz program are going to have already joined. Can they come on the screen and okay, so they are going to join soon. In between, I would request Dr. Hema Divakar to highlight the vision behind creating this quiz program for the children, and then how this is going to be an important tool for encouraging them to have a lifelong, habits, healthy habits, which help them prevent many such diseases, especially diabetes, which we have been discussing since morning today.
Yeah. Namaskar, everyone. In the interest of time, Kamal, if you don't mind, Dr. Rishikesh Pai, whom I had very fondly invited, because sentimentally for me, if he's around for any or many of the events, it's a big bang event. So Rishikesh, I know, has to leave for another meeting at 3 p.m. So Rishikesh, all our quiz participants, the youth of India is here to defeat diabetes. So your words for our audience and the participants of the quiz. Rishi.
Thank you, Hema, and thank you, Kamalji. And there are a lot of senior people here. Like I can see Ramni, and I can see Sampath, I think, is there. And then Dr. Sanjay Gupta is there, Dr. Jaideep Malhotra, Archana Verma in a new avatar. And then, this is looking really dynamic and changed. So I would like to say that we have we are the diabetic capital of the world. I have a very close relationship with diabetes because both my parents were diabetic. My mother took insulin for 30 years. Every day she used to take insulin in the morning. So I have very close links with diabetes. And as far as I'm concerned, because I deal with genetics, so you have this pre-implantation genetic testing. So normally we do it so a single gene defect. But they have found out now that the diabetes is a polygenic inheritance. So there are certain genes which, if they are in combination present in the embryo, then you can actually say that this embryo may have a high chance of becoming diabetic child. So you, in the future, will be able to select the embryo which has got a very low incidence in diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. So this is the future. And so it's very exciting because it touches me very deeply. So PGD, this is the new terminology. It is called PGT, that is pre-implantation genetic testing, -P. P stands for polygenic disorder. So autism, diabetes, cardiac disease, stroke, there are multiple gene expressions, which at present so there is something called Biobank, which is there in United Kingdom. So they have studied 20,000 Britishers, and they have found what are the genes in those 20,000 which will go toward diabetes. And the biobank is referred to when we are selecting embryo. The probability of embryo is based on the biobank. I just wanted to give you some new information about diabetes, which probably you may have not heard of. So thanks a lot for calling me here, and let us hope. So this is a great future of diabetes. So diabetes free. And in the next generation, after 20 years, we'll be able to make eggs from skin cells. So from one skin cell, we'll be able to make 100 eggs. From 100 eggs, we'll be able to make 100 embryos. We'll automatically select the embryos. And we'll select the embryos which are having less genes for diabetes, heart disease, stroke. And that embryo will be put inside, and you'll have a child. So it will be totally biotechnology-driven child.
Yeah, thank you, Rishikesh. All the participants of the quiz today are at, +2. So you've given them food for thought, lots of food for thought for the future, because they may, many years from now, say, once upon a time, Dr. Rishikesh Pai had told us that insulin was to be taken every single day of the year, and the whole scenario may be very much different than what we can even imagine today. So thank you for your presence and putting forth some novel, new, innovative, exciting ideas as usual. Again, I would request Kamal and Rajiv and the organizing team from the IHW with artists as well to allow all our Foxy champions to make their punch remarks and initial comments, because many of them have to leave for another meeting at 3 p.m. and then we will hand it over totally to Princey and Satvik for all the rounds of questions, and they can rule. You know, once before when we had a forum where many elderly were sitting on the dais and talking about the youth. So the audience got up and said, we are the youth. Where are we in this panel discussion? So very soon we will be leaving Princey and Satvik, who are also the Youth India, whom they represent, and all the participants who are belonging to the generation next. Let's see how they defeat diabetes. But before that, over to our lead experts who have brought in the teams today. And in alphabetical order, we would ask Archana Verma in her new avatar to make her comments, because originally we had planned for one round of quiz questions from our leaders, but I think if they just place their vision and concept of how they will take this movement further with the youth, with one line comments, so that you can be free to move for your next assignment. Archana.
Yes, very good afternoon, madam. Now, my line is time to get educated and to know the risk of the diabetes.
So next on the list, Sampath, whomever I can see.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah.
So first is to start the diabetes and counseling from the schools. From the schools and colleges, we have to teach the counseling how to protect, how to be prevented from diabetes and the obesity. Obesity and diabetes are interrelated, so I have to counsel about the obesity such that they can be free from diabetes. Thank you, madam.
Great, Komal.
We know that as a medical disorders in pregnancy committee, I would think more about pregnancy. So pre-pregnancy, every woman should be made aware that they need to know their blood sugar levels, and there is a chance of getting gestational diabetes, so that everybody should be made awareness. That is the main focus.
Yeah, Sneha.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for involving us here. Yes, I would say that it's adolescents we should target first, catch them young, let them understand at this age what is the importance of healthy lifestyle, diet and healthy living. What is it? And that is the age where actually everything goes wrong. And I think that is, we have to hit that target. That's all I suppose. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sneha. Preeti ji.
Good afternoon, Dr. Hema. Thank you for inviting us for this very valuable platform, I must say. I must congratulate Mr. Kamalji and Dr. Hema Divakar for such a wonderful platform. I have been logged in right from the morning and watching all the statements and comments which have been given by all the great leaders here. So thank you so much. That was a great learning experience. And for me, the first step that I would like to take, as Dr. Hema says, is Pehla Kadam. Need to stress more on the single step test in pregnancy, because I'm quite sure Dr. Sampath is there and she will very well take care of all the adolescents and education program. And my focus would be on single step test, and every state and every doctor and every healthcare worker should adopt this single step test, because that is doable, what Dr. Hema says, and we learn a lot from her. So thank you so much, Dr. Hema, and I wish all the team good luck for this quiz. And I'm really very excited to see how they perform, because the participants from Lucknow are really very excited and they have read a lot about GDM and diabetes. Let's see what they perform. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti. So that was Preeti Shapat for you. Vidya Tobbi, Dr. Tobbi, if she's here, or Sheetal.
Yes, actually, my line was taken over by Sneha ma'am, wherein catch them young is what I say. Initially, only if we don't have diabetes, then managing diabetes is a secondary thing. So we have to catch them young, and this is the right forum, maybe the schools, colleges, wherein they don't end up having any of the lifestyle diseases. The lifestyle should be started, whatever it is, from the young stage. Only a perfect, nice lifestyle is what we lost. We don't want the next generation to lose it.
So all my very beloved EduQuiz participants may say, practice what you preach. So
Yes.
it also applies to all of us as well.
Yes,
That
yes.
we have to also fall in line with the lifestyle. I don't see Dr. Tobi here, which means that we move straight into the game with Princey and Satwik, who have now appeared on the scene. All yours. Kamalji and myself, on behalf of ISW Council and artists, wish everybody lots of luck and the best of the performances, which I do hope you will walk the talk and take the shapath and pledge for your own selves to do your bit to make this world a better place. Over to Satwik and Princey, who will lead the quiz now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hema.
1 second. Can you hear us?
Are we audible?
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Go ahead.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
That's the problem of a typical physical program which is happening on this virtual program. The mic seems to be echoing.
Being logged in from 2 devices.
Dr. Vidya Thobi has joined.
So by the time the end team sets themselves up with the right sounds that they are supposed to make, Dr. Tobi, can you just make your champion comments?
Yeah, I heartily congratulate IHW Council, all the participants, and greetings from Food, Drugs and Medical Surgical Equipment Committee, FOXY. I hope that they will be doing best and they will highlight the nutrition part in all their presentations and the quiz. Best luck to all of them. Yes.
Okay, awesome, guys. Let's start the quiz. We are so excited,
Yes.
and I'm sure all of you are too. I hope you're having a great day. Hello, everyone. I am Princey,
And I'm Satwik.
your host for the most awaited and exciting and informative
India Diabetes Quiz 2021.
To make all the women healthy for a healthy nation.
We welcome all the participants and would like to inform you that this initiative is presented by Shapath 1000 Days and initiated by ISW Council of India and Artist for Her, the Asian Research and Training Institute for Skills Transfer, with the strategic support of FOXI, DIPSI, Diabetes in Pregnancy Study Group India, and WWW Foundation.
Just to give you all a brief about the Shapath 1000 Days mission, with the commitment to reduce the burden of malnutrition and anemia in India, the ISW Council of India, along with the committed leadership and stakeholders, has announced Shapath 1000 Days long advocacy mission on the occasion of National Girl Child Day, 24th January, to cement a path for healthy women and healthy child, and contribute towards achieving a national resolve towards making a Poshan Yukt, Anemia Mukt, Swasth and Ayushman Bharat.
The mission will reach out to all the states and union territories of India till 2024. And like many other initiatives, Diabetes in Pregnancy Summit and India Diabetes Quiz 2021 are part of this mission. And Artist for Her, led by Dr. Hema Divakar, is playing the key role in this summit, this quiz and overall Shapath 1000 Days mission. This quiz would not have been possible without her wholehearted, passionate and strategic support and contribution of all FOXI champions who are also the team leaders with us today.
Yes. So now I will take the liberty and would like to introduce our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Rishikesh Pai, Medical Director, Bloom IVF Group, and would like to invite the champion of the initiative, Dr. Hema Divakar, to address the audience and all the participants of the India Diabetes Quiz, and Mr. Kamal Narayan, CEO, IHW Council. Dr. Hema Divakar, we are opening the floor to you.
Actually, the floor was already open and closed, Princey and Satwik. So I know you've been given this floor by Rajiv ji and the team because our guests have to leave for another meeting at 3 p.m. and we are all by ourselves with the teams of the quiz and with the champions from Foxy who can wait on with us further. So we are rolling the floor back to you. If you can just give a one-line introduction to the posts that our Foxy champions hold, that would be really appreciated. And then we start with the introduction of the team members right away. So right into action on the Diabetes in Pregnancy quiz with a mission to defeat diabetes. Satwik and Princey.
Absolutely, Dr. Divakar.
So I would like to request all the Foxeye champions to please unmute yourself and say hello to your team and wish them good luck before we kickstart the game and wish them all the best for the game. To start with, Karnataka team leader Dr. Vidya Thobi, who's also the chairperson of Food and Drugs Medio Surgical Equipment Committee, Foxeye.
Medical Surgical Equipment Committee, Satwik.
Yeah, all the best to all the people and best luck to champions of Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Thobi. There is the Ghaziabad team leader, Dr. Archana Verma, Vice President-elect 21, Foxeye.
Hello.
Hi. Ma'am, can you please say hi to your team and say a few words for them?
Yes. Where are you, Aniruddha, Abhimanyu, and Nishkarsh?
Yeah, we are here, ma'am.
All the best. Guys, you rock.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Let everybody know Ghaziabad ka naam.
All right. So there is
पहला कदम national quiz की ओर.
Great.
All right. So let's move on to the Mumbai team leader, Dr. Komal Chavan, chairperson of the Foxeye Medical Disorders in Pregnancy Committee.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And thank you, Hema Divakar, madam. It is a wonderful program on this Diabetes in Pregnancy Awareness Day. And I thank IHW Council. And I represent the Mumbai Diabetic Heroes. And I have my heroes with me, Pranoy Niyogi, Dishita Batam. I can see them now. And Aditi Patwardhan. So all the best, and they're really going to rock. Mumbai is going to rock. They're all geared, and I have a blend of people from different backgrounds. So I really hope they're going to do their best and be confident and answer. Thank you so much.
Okay.
That's perfect, Dr. Chavan. Thank you so much. The next is our Bangalore team leader, Dr. Sheetal Joshi, clinical dietitian and certified diabetes educator, Divakar Specialty Hospital, Bangalore. Ma'am, can you please say a few words to your team?
Yes, I can see the team is there. Bangalore team is over here. And I'm very happy, you have to do it. And Anirudh, Spurti and Pranav, you have to do it. Bangalore has to. Yes, we have to be the health champions.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right. So the Tamil Nadu team leader, Professor and Dr. Sampath Kumari, Chief and HOD, Muthukumaran Medical College and Research Institute, Chennai and Foxeye, Vice President-elect 2022. Say hi to your team.
Ma'am, can you please say a few words for your team?
Yes. Okay, good evening. Smriti, Logalashmi and Fatima, I think the Tamil Nadu always Jallikattu. All of you must be aware of the Jallikattu program. So they will be fighting. You do your best. You will get whatever you need. Thank you, ma'am. All the best.
Perfect. Thank you so much, ma'am. The next is our Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders champion, Dr. Preeti Kumar, Chairman of Safe Motherhood Committee, Foxeye.
Thank you so much, Princey. Thank you for that kind introduction. And I really want to wish my champions from Lucknow, Dr. Suryansh, who is a future computer scientist, and then the Human Islam. He's basically persuading the law course. and another one is Siddhant. He's also a law student. So all the best. I think they were totally unaware of the diabetes, but for last 1 week they have read a lot about diabetes and gestational diabetes. Let's see what they do. Thank you so much and all the best.
Perfect.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Kumar.
All right. Okay, I would also like to invite Dr. Sneha Bhuyar, who's the chairperson of Breast Committee Foxeye, to say a few encouraging words to all the participants here.
Hello, everyone. Hope you all are set, ready to fight. You have acquired adequate knowledge, and let's see. All the best to all the teams. Do well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bhuyar. Thank you so much for the kind words. Thank you, everyone, for your support. So let's come back and play India Diabetes Quiz 2021.
And contribute a bit in making our women and our nation healthy. Can we start with the introductory round? Let's quickly introduce yourself and your team. Right? Let's just start with first Karnataka Diabetes Champions.
Guys, let's get ready for the quiz.
Can we have the participants of Karnataka Diabetes Champions unmute yourselves, show us yourselves, say hi to everyone here.
Hi, this is Lakshmi from Karnataka.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Yeah, I request Raghavendra and Kavya.
Hi, Kavya.
And Raghavendra.
Hi, I'm Kavya from.
All right. Hi, Kavya.
Let's move on to the next team, guys.
Okay, we have Raghavendra with us also. All right. Hi, Raghavendra. All right.
Hi, sir.
So the next is the Bangalore Diabetes Masters. Participants, can you please unmute yourself, show us your faces and say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone, really sorry for the glitches in our background, but I'm Pranav, this is Purti,
hello,
and this is Anirudh.
Hi guys. Hi Arnav, Anirudh. All right. Next are the Mumbai Diabetes Heroes. Participants, can we have you please? Can you say hi to us? The Mumbai Diabetes Heroes.
Mumbai Diabetes Heroes, unmute yourselves.
Hello, yes, thank you everybody. I am really honored to be here on this platform today in front of everybody, and I wish everybody a best of luck, and let's go forth with this quiz with charisma and attitude, and I hope that everybody takes something away from today, most importantly.
Thank you, Pranoy.
Thank you so much.
Can we have the other participants also say hi, please?
Hi, I'm Dishita Batsu, and I'm participating in the diabetes quiz.
Hi, Dishita.
Hi, Dishita. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next team, Satvik.
The Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Can we have the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders, the participants?
Hi, everyone. Good evening.
Hi, Suryansh.
Hello, everyone.
Hi,
This is
Satvik. All right. Hello.
Hi, guys. And the next team is the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defense. Participants, can we please unmute your mics and show us your faces and say hi to us?
Hello everyone, I'm Nishkarsh. I'm from Team Ghaziabad and my team members are Anirudh and Abhimanyu. So I hope they're here.
Hi, we're here. Hello. All right, perfect.
Hi guys.
Hi.
All right. So the last team would be the Tamil Nadu Diabetes Fighters. Can we have the participants?
Hi, this is Logalakshmi from Tamil Nadu. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Logalakshmi.
Hi, this is Smriti from the Tamil
Hi,
Nadu
Smriti.
team.
Hi, this is Fatima from Tamil Nadu team.
Hi, Fatima. I think we have all the participants here, don't we?
Yes.
We are so excited to start the quiz today.
Excuse me, can I ask something before the quiz starts?
Can this wait till after the quiz, please? We will take all.
No, it's a general doubt regarding the quiz. I mean, about the way we can play this.
Sure, we are just telling you the guidelines and the rules of the game next.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
All right. So just to make sure, let's like Nishkar, let's go through it again. And if you have any doubt or question, right? So we can quickly get through that also. All right. So we have 6 teams playing with us today, 3 players in each the team. So there are 6 questions in each round. All right. Covering general questions, facts round, the Foxeye champion round. Question in this round would be asked by the Foxeye champions to their respective team leaders. There's truth and false rounds, and then there's the number rounds. All right. Each correct answer will get 10 marks. Each team would be given questions to answer within 30 seconds.
You will have a time limit of 30 seconds To answer any question, there will be a timer and we will let you know when there are 5 seconds left. There is no negative marking. No answer would get negative marks. The maximum scoring team would be the winner. The second highest scoring team would be the first runner-up. And the third highest scoring team would be the second runner-up. Moderator's decision would be final. You cannot question the quiz master. Quiz would be monitored by the nominated officials of ISW Council, Foxeye and Artist. All proposed questions in the quiz would be on nutrition and food habits, hygiene, fitness and lifestyle. Each team member can contact the team leaders for any doubts or clarifications.
All right, so let's play. We will call your name, team. What you have to do is you have to unmute yourselves. You have to show your video. We'll ask you the question. You will be given 30 seconds to answer the question and the team leader will tell us the answer. All right?
Are we clear, guys? Awesome.
Perfect.
Let's begin the game, guys.
All right. So,
are you all excited? Just tell me if you're all excited.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are all excited.
Yes. Nobody's unmuting themselves. I'll say yes. Okay, guys. Perfect.
all right. Can we start the first round, Princey?
Absolutely. I cannot wait to start the first round.
All right. Okay. So here are the participating teams and the round one, the general questions round. And the first question is for the Karnataka diabetes champions. People with diabetes should eat food that is high in A, fat, B, fiber, C, sugar, or D, salt. The time starts now.
Yeah, it should be option B, fiber.
Option C.
Hello.
Option B, fiber. Is that the final answer?
Hello. Yeah.
Is that the final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with fiber.
All right. And the answer to this question is, it is B, fiber. Congratulations. Fiber reduces the process of releasing sugar. So that's 10 points to the Karnataka diabetes champions. Very good start, people. Very good start. Beautiful.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
I think the next question is for the Bangalore diabetes master. Let's have the next questions, please.
Bangalore diabetes masters, unmute yourselves. And the question for you is, sugar contains
what?
Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the source of sugar. Sugar contains what food component? It is carbohydrate.
All right.
Okay. Is that the final answer? Should we lock it?
Carbohydrate.
Yeah, carbohydrate.
Great.
All
Satvik,
right.
let's see the answer, please.
And the answer to the question is correct. It is C, carbohydrates. Perfect.
That's amazing, Bangalore diabetes master. That's 10 points for you.
The people are doing very great, Princey. All right.
Absolutely.
So the next question for the team is Mumbai Diabetes Heroes. Are you ready, Mumbai, for your question?
Yes, we are.
Please. Perfect.
Awesome.
The question for you is, foods like pizza, burgers, and noodles are rich in A, protein, B, fat, C, carbohydrate, or D, vitamin.
Your time starts now.
The answer is B, fat.
B, fat. All right.
Are you sure? Can we lock it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Satvik, can we please see the answer for this question?
The answer to this question is C, carbohydrate. That was the wrong answer. There are no points awarded to Mumbai for this answer. Foods like pizzas, burgers, all junk foods are very rich in carbohydrates.
Okay, moving on to the next team, Satvik.
The Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Lucknow, are you ready for your question?
Yes, we are.
Perfect. All right. And the question for Lucknow is, Princey.
Which is least likely to reduce your risk of diabetes? A, whole grain cereal, B, nuts, C, salad dressing, D, alcoholic beverages, or E, orange juice. Your time starts now.
It's D, alcoholic beverages.
D, alcoholic beverages. Are you sure?
Yes.
Should we lock the answer? Guys, should we lock it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Let's see the answer, Satvik.
The answer to this question is, it's E, orange juice. It is the wrong answer. All right. No points awarded to Lucknow team for this answer. All right. Good going, teams. Okay. So the next question is for which team, Princey?
It's the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defense.
All right. Ghaziabad, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Ghaziabad. All right. Up your quiz game. So Ghaziabad, the question for you is, meat eaters have a higher risk of one of these diseases. A, osteoarthritis. B, diabetes. C, gout. D, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Or E, colon cancer.
Your time starts now.
We'd like to go with colon cancer.
All right.
Okay.
They like to go with colon.
Let's see if that's the right answer. Guy, are you sure? Should we lock it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Let's see the
Locking
answer.
E colon cancer, and the answer to this question is
It's
osteoarthritis.
osteoarthritis.
Yes. All right. Meat eaters have a higher risk of getting
Osteoarthritis, guys.
All right. All right.
Great. So the next question
It's
the
for
next
Tamil
team.
Nadu diabetes fighters. All right. Are you ready, Tamil Nadu, for your question?
Yes, we are ready.
All right. So the question for you is,
What is the number of pre-diabetics who move to full-blown diabetes annually? A, 20 to 30 million, B, 5 to 10 million, C, 1 to 4 million, or D, 40 to 50 million? Your time starts now.
Smriti, it is 40 to 50 million. Smriti, are you there?
Okay, should we log that answer?
Okay,
One sec.
just a second.
all right, locking this answer and the
No, wait, they're discussing.
No. Team leader didn't answer.
Do you want to log this answer?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's see the answer, Satvik.
and the answer to the question is
It's A, 20 to 30 million. You were close, but you are not presented any points for this round, guys.
All right. Can we have the scores for this round? I think Karnataka and Bangalore have 10 points for this round, and Mumbai, Lucknow, Ghaziabad, and Tamil Nadu are at 0 points. All right, up your quiz games. It was only the first
Guys,
round.
it's the first round. We can buckle up.
Yes. I think everyone is warm. Let's
Excuse
move on.
me.
Yes, Suryansh.
Can we look at the question once again, please? The question we answered.
The verdict by the quiz master for every round is final. We can take any other questions after the complete quiz is over.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right.
So we are moving on to the second round here, guys. Are you excited? Are you warmed up? Let's go to the second round.
Be ready, everyone. Up your quiz game this time. All right. So the second round, this is the truth and false rounds. The first question is for the Karnataka diabetes champions. Are you ready for your question, Karnataka?
Yeah.
All right. And the question for you is,
Eating too much sugar causes diabetes. Is that true or is that false?
It's true.
Okay, let's see if that's the answer.
Okay, 1 second, please. 1 second, please.
Sure.
Guys, that's the false answer.
We were discussing now still.
Okay, fine.
All
We
right.
will give you that point.
all right,
Cool. Let's move on to the next team, guys.
to the Bangalore
Diabetes Masters.
All right, Bangalore, are you ready for your question?
Ma'am, I don't think that this is correct. That if they've already answered it as true or false, still
We
they
will
were
have another question at the end of the
Yeah,
round.
they will get
Suryansh.
another answer.
Okay.
All right. Bangalore, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
All right, Bangalore. The question for you is,
Drinking too much diet cola can affect blood sugar. Is that true or is that false?
True, right? It's true. True. Yeah, it is true.
Yes. True.
is that the final answer?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Locking true then, Princey?
Absolutely.
All right. And the answer to this question is true. Absolutely correct. 10 points to Bangalore Diabetes Masters. Perfect. All right. So the next question is for the Mumbai Diabetes Heroes. Mumbai, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's see the question for you guys.
The question for the Mumbai team is,
Honey as substitute for sugar in diabetes has no advantage. Is that true or is that false? Guys, your time has already started. Can you please tell me the answer?
It's false.
Okay, should we lock it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see if that's the answer, Satvik. Let's see if it's false.
all right. And the answer to the question is, it is
True.
true.
Guys, you don't get any points for this round.
All right. So the next team for the question is, which team is it, Princey?
So Mumbai Diabetes Heroes.
I think we just asked Mumbai the question. I
Did
think the
we?
next question is Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. All right. Lucknow, are you ready for your question?
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. So the team for the Lucknow team is, the question is, diabetes is often silent. Is that true or is that false?
I think it is silent because most of the diabetes in India is still undetected.
Okay.
So it's true.
So it's true. Is that the final answer?
Yeah.
All right. Locking true then, Princey?
Okay, let's lock it.
Locking true. And the answer to this question is, it is true. Perfect. You get 10 points for this. Congratulations, Lucknow.
Absolutely.
Thank
perfect.
you.
All right.
So the next question is
the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defense.
Defenders.
Ghaziabad, are you ready?
Yeah, we are.
All right, Ghaziabad, the question for you is.
Can we have the question, please? More and more young adults have diabetes. Is that true or is that false?
True.
That is
it is true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we log it?
Answer?
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, let's see the answer, please.
And the answer to this question is absolutely correct. It is true. Perfect. That's 10 points to you, Ghaziabad. Perfect. All right, the last question for this round is for Tamil Nadu diabetes fighters. Tamil Nadu, are you ready for a question?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's see the question for them, Satvik.
The question for you, Tamil Nadu, is India the diabetic capital of the world? True or false?
True.
True.
True. India is the diabetic capital of the world. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
All right. Locking the answer then, Princey?
Absolutely. Let's log the answer.
So the answer to this question is false. It is not yet the diabetic capital of the world. That is the wrong answer. All right. Tamil Nadu is awarded no points for this question. All right. Should we ask an additional questions to Karnataka right now, Princey, or should we wait till the end?
We should wait till the end.
All right, Karnataka. All right. Karnataka has one question in reserve yet. All right. So they will not be getting any points for this round. All right. Himani, can we have the scores for the 2 rounds, the total points for this round?
Yeah, so Bangalore team is on 20. Karnataka and Lucknow and Ghaziabad is on 10. Rest of the teams are still yet to score.
All right, they're still yet to score. All right, perfect. Teams, there's still time. Up your quiz game. We will be moving on to the 3rd round, which is the Foxside Champions round. Are the Foxside team leaders ready?
Guys, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Satvik and Princey, when you call out the Foxy champions, if some of them have already left, I will fill in for them, okay?
Absolutely
all right, perfect.
Yeah.
All right. So the first question will be asked by Dr. Archana Verma to the Bangalore Diabetes Masters.
Oh, I have to ask just like that?
Yes. So we will present the question to you, ma'am. So the next question for the Karnataka Diabetes Champions, Satvik. It's not the Bangalore Diabetes Masters. The first question is for the Karnataka Diabetes Champions, and Archana ma'am will be asking them the question. And this is the question for this team.
All right, Karnataka, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. And the question to you is, Dr. Archana?
Yes. In India, diabetes test during pregnancy has to be done twice in pregnancy, early in pregnancy, or just before delivery, or none of the above.
Kavya, do you know answer?
I think twice in pregnancy.
I guess it is C option, just before delivery.
Okay, guys, 10 seconds left.
Raghavendra?
5 seconds, people.
Okay, twice in pregnancy. Let's go with option
A. Let's see if that's the correct answer.
Locking A, and the answer to this question is A. It's absolutely correct. Twice in pregnancy.
Perfect, guys. You get 10 points for this round.
Doing good. I think they did pretty good under pressure. Very good team.
Yes.
All right.
So the next question is for the Bangalore Diabetes Master and the Foxside Champion, who will be asking the question is Dr. Vidya Thobi.
Dr. Vidya, are you here?
Dr. Vidya, can we please have you to ask the questions to the Bangalore Diabetes Masters, please?
All right.
I'm ready.
Okay, great.
I'm ready.
Dr. Hema, can you please fill in? Thank you so
All
much.
right. Bangalore, are you ready for your question?
Yes, we are.
Perfect. All right. Dr. Hema, here's to you.
So the Bengaluru Masters, tell us the right answer. If the mother has gestational diabetes, is diet control for the mother important? Option A is yes. Option B, no. Option C, none of the above.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes. I think it is yes.
Yes, yes. I think it's yes.
Because she has to
Eat
the
folic
mother-
acid for production.
Okay, so we'll go with yes.
Yes, we're going with option A. Yes.
Are we locking yes then? Is that
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah,
A?
option A. Option A.
All right.
Perfect. Let's see the answer.
All right. And the answer to this question is perfect. It is answer A.
Is it?
Perfect.
Congratulations, guys. You get 10 points for this
Bangalore is
round.
doing pretty good. All right. Perfect. All right. So the next question is for the Mumbai Diabetes Heroes. And Dr. Sheetal Joshi, can you ask the next question?
A Fox Eye champion, Dr. Sheetal Joshi. Can you please ask this question to the Mumbai Diabetes Heroes?
Yes.
All right. Here's the question to you, Dr. Sheetal.
What is the percentage of Indians with pre-diabetes risk factors? 15%, 20%, 5%, 40%. Are you all ready?
The time starts now.
It's 15, 50, 5 or 40.
Mumbai, are you here?
Mumbai, are you
Yes,
here?
we are thinking about it. We are discussing.
Okay, 10 seconds left, guys.
5 seconds left, Mumbai.
And your time is over. I'm sorry, you are not given any points for this round, Mumbai. We will move on to the next round and to our next question. So the next question is for the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders, and Dr. Komal Chavan will be asking the next question to this team.
Dr. Komal, are you here?
Yes, I'm very much here.
All right.
Thank you so much, Dr. Komal. Please, the next question is to the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Here's to you.
Yeah. What is the number of diabetes in pregnancy in India every year? A, 1 to 2 million. B, 3 to 5 million. C, 8 to 10 million. D, less than 1 million.
The time starts
What is
now.
the number of diabetes in pregnancy in India every year? And these are the options. Lucknow team, come on.
Lucknow team, 15 seconds left.
Yeah, we're discussing.
5 seconds left.
It's 8 to 10 million.
Okay, we are locking that answer.
All right. And the answer to this question is it's 3
5
to 5 million. You were pretty close, Lucknow. Just this close. All right. Okay. So the next question is for the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defense, and it will be asked by Professor Dr. Sampath Kumari.
Yes.
All right.
Great.
Yes, Satvik.
Here's the question, ma'am.
Is it for the Ghaziabad? Can blood glucose monitoring?
Yes.
Yes. Ghaziabad team, be ready. Can blood glucose monitoring in pregnancy be done at home? A is yes, B is no, C none of the above. So yes or no or none of the above. Please answer.
Yes.
Ghaziabad?
Yes, the first one, A.
Okay, let's see if that's the answer. Guys, are you sure?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And the answer to this question is correct. It is yes. Pretty confident about the answers. Good game, Ghaziabad.
Very good, Ghaziabad team. So the next question we have is for the Tamil Nadu Diabetes Fighters. And the question, and we will ask Dr.
The Fox Eye team leader for the Tamil Nadu team is?
Just a second, guys. The Ghaziabad team, let's see.
Yeah. Dr. Sneha Buyar.
Dr. Sneha Buyar, will you please answer the can you please ask this question?
I have to fill in again, I'm afraid. Sneha
All
has
right,
left,
all
yeah.
right, Dr. Hema. All right.
Yeah.
So here's the question for the Tamil Nadu team. Tamil Nadu, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's your question.
So the Tamil Nadu Jallikattu fighters, besides blood sugar tests, doctors' visits are meant also for eye checkup, kidney checkup, blood pressure checkup, blood cholesterol in pregnancy. Are these not needed, may be required, or they're totally irrelevant? Option A is all these tests for various other organs not needed, may be required, or totally irrelevant.
Your time has started, team.
Option B may be required.
Okay. Should we log that?
Yes.
All right, Princey, should we log that?
Absolutely. Let's see
All
the
right.
answer.
And the answer to this question is may be required. Absolutely correct, Tamil
You get
Nadu.
10 points for this round, guys.
Perfect. Doing very good teams. I think their quiz games are going pretty up, Princey, right?
Yes. And thank you so much, all the Fox Eye champions, for asking all these questions to our participants. Let's see the scoreboard, please.
Himani, can we have the score, please?
Yeah, so the Bangalore team is leading with 30 points. Then Karnataka and Ghaziabad team is on 20. Lucknow and Tamil Nadu is on 10, and Bombay is still 0.
All right, perfect. So before we move on to the next round, Princey, the Karnataka Diabetes Champions have one question in reserve. Can we ask them a question?
Do we want to ask it now or do we want to ask it in the end?
We can ask it right now.
Okay.
All right. So Karnataka, you have one question in reserve. I would like to ask you that question now. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
So this question will not be presented on the screen. This is the question that we will be asking you.
All right.
Is that okay? Listen.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this question is, which is not a symptom of diabetes? A, itchy skin. B, thirst. C, frequent urination. D, muscle pain. Which is not a symptom of urination of diabetes? A, itchy skin. B, thirst. C, frequent urination. And D, muscle pain. Your time starts now.
Kavya? Kavya, voice is not clear. Repeat it.
Please repeat option A, ma'am.
Itchy skin.
Itchy skin, itchy skin.
You're
It's
saying
itchy skin or-
is not
No,
a
no,
symptom
no.
of diabetes.
10 seconds left, guys.
A.
What? Kavya?
Option A.
All right. They want to go with
muscle pain.
Skin.
Okay, guys, let's see if that's the right answer. That is not the right answer, guys. The correct answer is muscle pain. Muscle pain is not a symptom of diabetes.
All right.
Okay, so I think Karnataka does not get a point.
Yeah,
for-
Karnataka is at all right. The final rounds, the final scores are the
Are the
scores that are
correct
before.
scores. Yeah,
All
the
right.
correct.
All right. So the round 4 is the facts round. Are you ready, teams?
Yes, we are.
All right. The first question we will ask to the Tamil Nadu diabetic fighters. Are you ready, Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
All right, Tamil Nadu. Here's the question to you. Diabetes is a condition where A, too much sugar in the blood happens. B, too little oxygen. C, fluctuation in liver functions. Or D, none of the above. Your time starts now.
Option A.
All right.
Are you sure? Can we lock it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the answer to that question,
And the
Satvik.
answer to the question is correct. There is too much sugar in the blood in diabetes. Perfect. That's 10 points to Tamil Nadu. Perfect.
Okay, the next question that we are asking is the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defenders. And let's see the question for this team.
Ghaziabad, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Here's the question to you, Ghaziabad.
People with diabetes need A, lifelong care. B, treat only until sugars revert to normal. C, treatment based on patient symptoms. Or D, treatment based on blood sugar level.
Your time starts now, Ghaziabad.
We think it is D based on blood sugar levels.
Is that the final answer?
Can we lock it?
Yes, please.
Okay, Satvik, let's see the answer to that question.
And the answer to this question is, Ghaziabad, A, it's lifelong care. That was the wrong answer.
You don't get any points for this round, guys.
All right, moving on to the next team, Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Are you ready, Lucknow?
Yes, we are.
All right,
Okay,
perfect. All right, Lucknow, here's the question to you. Type 1 diabetes is A, natural cause with no insulin production. B, usually strikes elderly. C, usually strikes adults. Or D, common in pregnant women. Your time starts now.
It's A. It's natural cause with no insulin production, and basically it also strikes the younger people. Yeah, it is autoimmune.
Okay, then Suryansh.
Okay, perfect. Let's see what's the answer for this question.
And the answer to this question is correct. It is A, natural cause with no insulin production. Very confident. Perfect luck. Now you get 10 points for this round. All right.
Great. Let's see the next question for Mumbai Diabetes Heroes.
Mumbai, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, Mumbai. Get up. Here's the question to you.
Use of insulin in type 1 diabetes is A, must use insulin for lifetime. B, can start insulin by age of 20. C, can stop insulin by age of 20. D, don't need insulin.
Your time starts now.
It's A.
Okay.
Very
Are
confident.
you sure? Can we lock it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the answer to that question, Satvik.
And Mumbai, here's the answer. The answer is A, must use insulin for lifetime. Perfect, Mumbai. Good work. Very confident.
10 points to this team.
All right. The next team is the Bangalore Diabetes Masters. Bangalore, are you ready?
Bangalore, are you ready for your question for this round?
Yes.
Okay, Bangalore is ready. Bangalore, here's the question to you. Sugar levels in the blood decreases because A, of eating food, B, drinking beverages, C, drinking water, or D, exercising. Your time starts now.
Exercising.
Exercising or drinking water?
Exercising.
Exercising. Exercising. We think it's option D.
Should we lock it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Satvik, let's see the answer to that question.
And the answer to this question is locking it. D,
Exercising.
exercise.
Absolutely correct, Bangalore. So you get 10 points in this round.
All right. I think teams are doing very good in this round. All right.
Absolutely.
The next question, the last question for this round.
It's Karnataka Diabetes Champions. Let's have the next question for the Karnataka Diabetes Champions.
Karnataka, are you here?
Yes.
Still in the game? All right, Karnataka. Here's the question to you.
Reasons for increased number of diabetic population. Status: B, urban growth, C, aging, D, lifestyle change, bad diets, less exercise resulting increased obesity, E, all of the above. Your time starts now.
Kavya?
I think D. Option D.
Guys, can we lock it? Are you sure?
I guess all of the above. No. Wait for a second. I guess it is all of the above.
10 seconds left, people.
Oh, it will be no.
Okay, option D.
Okay, guys, your time has ended.
Option D.
We are locking on option D.
All right. And the answer to this question is it's E. It's all of the above. There's no points for you for this round. All right. We have ended 4 rounds and now we are up to our final round. Himani, can we have the total scores for the teams?
Yes, so the Bangalore team is leading with 40 points. Tamil Nadu, Ghaziabad, Lucknow team and Karnataka team at 20 points. Bombay team is at 10.
All right.
Guys,
this is the final round. People, up your quiz game and let's have the questions for the 5th round. Teams, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
All right.
Awesome.
The first question for the Karnataka Diabetes Champions. Karnataka, here's the question for you.
Which country has the largest number of diabetes cases in the world? A, India, B, China, C, USA, or D, Vietnam? Your time starts now.
Okay, Kavya.
Ten seconds left, guys.
China.
All
we
right.
lock it?
Okay, China.
Lock it. And the answer to this question is correct. It is China. 10 points to you, Karnataka. Perfect. Good going. All right. The next question is for the Bangalore Diabetes Masters. Bangalore, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
All right.
Awesome. So the next question, can we have it, please? How many people over 18 years have diabetes in India? A, 1 out of 10, B, 1 out of 4, C, 1 out of 20, or D, 1 out of 100. Your time starts now.
Adults, so
1 out of 10.
1 out of 100.
10.
Think about what is
Over 18 is any
1 in 10.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
Okay. Lock it.
1 out of 20.
Guys, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Yeah, option C.
All right.
Okay, let's lock it option C.
And the answer to this question is option A. It's 1 out of 10. You were doing good in the first round. All right. No points for you. All right, Bangalore.
Something to learn.
This is for the Mumbai Diabetes Heroes. Mumbai, are you ready?
Yes.
All right,
Awesome.
Mumbai. Here's the question to you. How many diabetes cases India has? A, 92 million, B, 80 million, C, 30 million, or D, 5 million. Your time starts now.
The answer is B, 80 million.
B, 80 million. All right.
Yes.
Should we lock it, Princey?
Should we lock it, guys?
Yes, lock it.
All right.
Okay,
And the
great.
answer to
Let's
this
see that.
question is B, 80 million.
Perfect, guys.
Mumbai.
You're
You get 10
absolutely
points.
correct. Mumbai gets 10 points for this round. The next question is for the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Are you guys?
We are here, but your voice is cracking.
Team Lucknow, unmute your mics, please.
Ma'am, we are here, but your voice is cracking, I think. So,
Okay, so you here. Can you hear us now?
yeah, that's clear.
All right, perfect. And the question to you, Lucknow, is what percentage of Indian diabetic population remains undiagnosed? A, 30%, B, 50%, C, 70%, or D, 10%? The time starts now.
It's 50%.
Okay, can we log that answer?
Yeah.
Okay, Karthik, can we please see the answer to that question?
And the answer to this question is the Lucknow team. It is B, 50%.
You get 10 points for this round, guys. Amazing.
Perfect.
Thank you.
All right. So the next question is for the Ghaziabad Diabetes Defenders. Ghaziabad, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Perfect. All right. Love the energy. All right. And the question for the Ghaziabad team is
What is the percentage ratio of diabetes common in men than women? A, 10% versus 9%, B, 20% versus 10%, and C, 40% versus 5%. Guys, your time starts now.
We think it is B, 20% versus 10%.
all right.
Okay, can we log that answer?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right. And the answer to this question for Ghaziabad team is A, it's 10% versus 9%. All
You
right.
don't get any points for this round, guys.
All right. So the last question, the last round of the game is for the Tamil Nadu diabetic fighters. Tamil Nadu, are you ready for the last question?
Yes, we are.
All right. Here's the question to you. What is the comparison ratio of diabetes in the urban and rural areas? A, 12% versus 8%, B, 20% versus 10%, C, 15% versus 4%, or D, 22% versus 15%. Your time starts now. Tamil Nadu.
Guys, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds
B.
left, guys.
Answer B.
B.
All
Okay,
right,
locking at B.
The answer to this question is D. It's 22% versus 15% respectively. All right, we have had all the rounds. Himani, can we have the final scores?
So the final scores are Bangalore team is at 40, Karnataka Lucknow team at 30, Tamil Nadu, Ghaziabad and Bombay team at 20.
Okay, perfect, guys. So I think we have a winner here, do we?
We have a clear winner, yes. Bangalore Diabetes Masters, congratulations for the first position. All right.
You have won the quiz, guys. You are the winners of this. How are you feeling, guys? Can you please show us your faces?
You stop the slide share. I think everybody can come. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, yes, feeling good.
Very good.
Perfect, guys. I think we are tying the first runner-up positions for Karnataka and Lucknow. Are we correct there, Himani? Right. And we are tying the second runner-up positions for Mumbai, Ghaziabad and Tamil Nadu. Are we correct there, Himani?
Let's have a tiebreaker for them, Princey. Let's have a quick tiebreaker.
We can have a tiebreaker for the first runner-ups.
All right, perfect. Let's have a tiebreaker.
Actually, ma'am, we had a question regarding the first question we answered.
Surya,
Can we go back to the question?
Later, we cannot take the decisions by the quiz masters are final right now.
Okay.
And we can discuss them later. Thank you so much.
All right, so let's just quickly take For the first runner-up position, which team do we have, Princey? I think we have the Karnataka Diabetes Champions and we have the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders.
Yes.
Karnataka and Lucknow, you will be competing for the first runner-up position. I'm going to give you 2 questions, one for each team, and the team that scores will get the first runner-up position. Teams, are you ready?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So the question is first to the Karnataka Diabetes Champions. Karnataka, here's your question. Women with diabetes in pregnancy tend to have A, easy childbirth, B, smaller babies, or C, large babies. Your time starts now.
Okay, Kavya.
Confusing.
I guess it is option C.
Okay, large babies. Should we log that?
Log that answer?
Yes.
All right. The answer to this question is it's C, large baby. That's correct. 10 points to you, Karnataka. Perfect.
Thank you.
All right. All right. So the first runner-up position, the next question is to the Lucknow Diabetes Crusaders. Lucknow, here's the question to you.
Cutting all fat from your diet will slow diabetes. A, is that true? Or B, is that false? Your time has already started, guys.
Lucknow.
We would like to go with option false.
Option false. All right. Should we log that?
Yeah, definitely.
The answer is false. Both the teams have
You tied again, guys. You tied again. I think we'll just stick at a tie and we'll call it a day, guys.
Yes.
This was perfect. Thank you so much, guys.
All right. Okay. So for the second runners-up position, I think we have tied at Mumbai Diabetes Champions and we've tied at Ghaziabad Diabetes Champions and Tamil Nadu Diabetes Fighters. Congratulations, guys. You guys have done very good in the quiz. I'm really proud of everyone.
So, which also means that everybody is a winner. Either they occupy the first position or the first runners-up tie or the second runners-up tie. So that's what all of us are really, really happy about. Yeah. So congratulations to all the participants.
Huge round of applause for all the teams here. They participated very well.
As I always say, to win, you must begin, and you all have begun well. And before we close, we want one comment from each of our Foxy champions and your message to the youth of the nation who are watching the show, as well as the participants in the quiz. One small point on my own behalf, I would want to say, there were 2 questions which compared the percentages. And the answers given by the teams seem to indicate that a lot of men have diabetes. Compared to that, only half of the women. 20% versus 10% was the answer. I would like to emphasize that the right answer was 10% versus 9%. That means almost equal number of men and women in our country do have diabetes, right? So whether it's a man or a woman, as we grow up, the potential for having diabetes is almost equal in both. The second question, for which again you scored a wrong answer, was the difference between the urban and rural population. Your answer seemed to indicate 20% of the urban have diabetes, whereas only 10% of the rural have. Again, it's a no. Whether it is urban or rural, the percentage is almost equal, 22 versus 15 or 18%. So the rural is again, running ahead and competing with the urban because everybody is too sweet in the country, and that's really yeah. So those are the 2 points which you must remember. So wherever you belong to, whether you're a man or a woman, urban or rural, the potential for having diabetes is great. So prevention is better than cure. And remember, your health is your wealth as you move ahead in your careers and earn a lot of wealth, but do preserve your health. That is my message at the sign off. May I request all the Foxy champions to make their remarks on their impression about the quiz and our participants. Archana. Archana, आप हिंदी में भी बोलिए, बड़ा मजा आएगा.
Yes, madam. Because madam, इतना आज जब कुछ discuss हुआ है, and you have taken each and every point very nicely, and definitely now the new generation has to understand the value of marks and health. because the health is to be later on converted to a wealth, we all know. But it is the first startup is not only that we have to take care running and working and working. There's a lot of difference in working and running with tension. So just feel relaxed, stress less, and more of exercise, more of a happiness, and less of a stress. So that is a mantra of better life.
Super. Thank you, Archana. Sampath?
Yes, madam. Good evening, madam. Children, first, taking effort to participate is more important rather than winning. So always be first to participate in all programs. Then the take-home message is diet and exercise will prevent you from all disease, not only diabetes, in all disease. So diet and exercise is very, very important. Thank you, madam.
Komal.
Yes, thank you very much, madam. There was one more question which I want to highlight, was that is India the diabetic capital of the world? So the answer was more at present, but if we don't take care and start at young, as what is our own mission, that is the Shapath and defeat diabetes, so we will soon become the diabetic capital. So we all will have to join hands together to make that happen. And we don't want India to become the diabetic capital, India to be projected on the wrong way. And so it all starts with the young adult. We have all these participants who have come from all over India, pan-India, and they have come to this platform. They are going to spread the messages. They are going to tell their peers that yes, there is a diabetic, and the awareness which we have given, I think, is definitely going to percolate into all the students of that age group, and that is our main focus. And you all are winners. You have done fantastic. Minor, that percentage and everything is a very tricky questions, but I think superb. Everybody has done very, very, very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Komal. I don't think Dr. Tobi is with us. If Dr. Tobi is there, she can respond. Otherwise, we go to Sheetal. Dr. Vidya Tobi? Yeah, Sheetal.
Yeah, it was really very tough, and awareness is the first thing what we have to see. If we are aware what is the situation around, we can work accordingly. And yes, seeing all the percentage, even I was like seeing those numbers, it was really such a huge, and we are not aware. And each family over here, the participants, each family has one or the other diabetic in their family. So if you see, it is a huge number, and our generation, we are already crossed. Maybe the previous next generation should really work on that, and we should see that we eradicate to a certain extent diabetes. And lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise plays a very, very important role. So you have to do it, and all are the winners because you all are got so much awareness today about this. And diabetes is pregnancy, hardly people know about it. It is a new thing even for each and every new generation, that there is something called as diabetes in pregnancy, and if we manage this, we are going to have a beautiful future.
So congratulations to the greatest champions of the afternoon, Princey and Satvik, who have learned a lot about diabetes and pregnancy and diabetes for sure. So you all have done a wonderful job and made us all enjoy this delightful afternoon. So the last closing words from our youth champions, Princey and Satvik, and I must very, very humbly place on records the great efforts taken by Rajiv ji and Himani in the background to bring this quiz to the foreground, and all the participating teams. It's not only a small number of minutes or hours that you spend educating yourself. May this be the Pehla Kadam, the start point for the pledge that you will take, the Shapath for 1,000 days, to change your own lifestyle, because we need you to be the change you want to see. Satvik and Princey, please.
Madam, only 1 minute. 1 minute, Hema, madam.
Yeah.
And special congrats to Bengaluru team, madam. Anyway, they have got the good marks. Special congrats. Congrats to all children, but still special congrats to Bengaluru team. Thank you.
Before we end, ma'am, I just had a simple doubt. It's not related to points or anything like that. But do you think that the question we answered, which of the following is least likely to influence diabetes? I don't think that was the question.
Diabetes. Suryansh, the question was, which is the one which is least likely to decrease the incidence of diabetes?
Correct.
That is why the answer was orange juice, because if you have plenty of canned juices and orange juice, that is not going to decrease your incidence of diabetes.
Correct, ma'am. Totally correct. But the thing is that it was written just the orange juice. It wasn't written a canned orange juice, because according to the American Diabetes Association, I read an article which clearly stated that citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and folates. So I think that is something.
No, what was the answer that they gave, Satvi and Prince? Because it's good, because we are open to discussion. Yeah, besides the, besides the points, that's not the point. Yeah, I would say like that. Yeah. Because we need to thrash out this, because we need to dispel the myths and misconceptions in the youth. And the answer that you chose, Suryansh, was?
Alcoholic beverages. Because
alcoholic beverages. Yeah, so out of the set of answers, then orange juice is least likely to decrease the incidence of diabetes. So that was what the question meant, because these questions have been by a very special team, not involving any of the Foxy champions, but totally a different repository with our international organization, FIGO, from where we have borrowed these questions, had a preliminary round of discussion with them, thrashed it out, and presented them to Rajiv ji from the IHW Council. So that was what this question was meant. However, your answer about the difference in the types of juices. If it's a fresh fruit, it's the best. If it's a fresh fruit juice, it's okay. But if it's a canned fruit juice, it's not at all okay. So this, if you ask any dietitian or nutritionist, they will explain to you in the way of traffic signal system. When we say fruit, we have to specify, eat the whole fruit, that is green. Fruit juice, that is orange. Canned fruit, that is red. So that is how the signal system goes. The brown rice is green, white rice is yellow, and biryani is red. So it is a rice, but it is a traffic signal system which pushes it into greater and greater red signal zone. So it is very, very heartening to know that all the participants have truly applied their mind to the quiz. They're not casually come around, saying, okay, yes or no. No, you have bothered to pay attention to what you have prepared and how you have presented yourself. And the same lingering thoughts in your mind, which has made you ask the question, not once, but thrice, Suryansh. We really appreciate that, because you, at the end of the game, you're keen on knowing what's right and what is wrong. And it is really not the age that matters, but it's the attitude that matters. So we are open to collaborating with the whole generation next, who may teach us a lesson or two in trying to better our way of communication, so that the right messages reaches every citizen of this glorious country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for answering it.
Yeah.
We would just like to conclude.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Satwik and Princey.
Yes. We would just like to conclude by saying that whenever we are here for any quiz, we have so much fun. It's because you have to engage everyone. Learning has to be aligned with some fun, some competitiveness, so that we can get the message across. And especially these messages about the chronic ailments and the illnesses that everybody is facing these days, because the lifestyle changes and things that could be changed with small things such as diet and exercise. It's so important that everybody learns about these things. And the women, for sure. Of course, the men also.
But it's also very inspiring to see all the children knowing so much about diabetes.
Absolutely.
Even it's just for the quiz, but it's so inspiring that
very impressive, guys.
They are leaving with so much knowledge, and then imparting so much knowledge to us.
That is the real win, guys.
Yes.
You will be the people who will be spreading the news of living a healthy life to all your friends and the next generation.
All the participants should know that they have taught us also 2 or 3 things about diabetes today, and we will be leaving with something that you guys gave us. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much.
So the 3 words we like to close with is thank you, and thank you.
Thank you.